Tampa, Florida, wrapping up a great weekend.
Again, good afternoon. My name is Kelley Parker. I go by KP the Builder, one half of the Construction Kings. And along with my partner, Mr. Gene Johnson. You got a mic?
Yeah.
You get one?
Nah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so we appreciate everybody for coming out, man. We live in Atlanta. We are real estate developers. We've been in the business collectively for almost 3 decades. And we're here today just to do some Q&A, just expose people to some knowledge. Because guys, it's all about the knowledge. If y'all want to level up and learn, it's about the knowledge. There's so many ways to make money in real estate. Like, we've done it all. Like, we've done, fix and flip, we've done wholesaling, we've done tax liens, we've done novations, we've done subject twos. But our specialty over the last 5, 6, 7 years has really been development. Because if y'all look around, man, it's development everywhere. And a lot of y'all are curious about, how do I find the land? How do I evaluate the land? How do I get the money? And so we'll talk a little bit about that. We got our lender here. I'm gonna bring him up in a minute. Come on, D-Ross. D-Ross, the mortgage boss. So if y'all looking for money, this is the guy you need to talk to. And we're gonna get rolling here in a second.
Well, man, you see, that's it. Yes, sir.
So it's really as simple as how the Rockets is expressing it to the guys. Like, you can answer every question you guys have because that's what you do. And the biggest problem that we have is, rookies or whatnot in this space is we don't know much. So it's best to surround yourself with experts and people that do this for a living. That's what I did. That's what I did. I did that. And they changed my life forever when it comes to real estate. So let's give it up for these guys right here. I'm sure they get
Give him the mic.
For about 7 years now, Gene and Kelley, bro, and probably on my 7th, 8th home with them boys, man. It's been up ever since, bro. They've been talking how to invest, how to find land, who to invest with, and things like that, bro. Like you said, but it's all about a team, man. If you ain't got no team that lead you in the right direction, bro, you would be in trouble. Because he knows some people that I work with in the past, man, I tell you, they fuck me over. And I think we can find them, dude. But no, man, these my guys, bro. All the information they got, man, I hope y'all take it in, man, because they got it, man. Make sure you follow them guys on Instagram. They got a lot of different boot camps in Atlanta, Georgia, and stuff online that y'all can, support and, be a part of, man. If y'all ever want it anywhere, man, they can be a guidance for y'all, man. So, hey, these are guys, bro, and I'm glad that y'all came out, man. So, be there for y'all, be there for taking the lead to do something here. What's your money? Some of y'all, like I said yesterday, still got some PPP money left, so go on, give it up. Yes, sir, man. But, yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank y'all.
Appreciate you, man.
Get an opportunity to come, check out Desi and his whole team just kill it on the stage, man.
Yeah, fuck all that, man. Real nigga back in the building, man. You gotta start accepting that shit. He's a nigga, man. Fuck all that shit. He just like us, man. Think about it, man. You real nigga shit get niggas out of jail. You just got Larry out, Larry Hoover, nigga. This shit is real, nigga. He a felon. That nigga been shot before. I ain't gonna lie, when that nigga got shot, boy, that nigga did this. Boy, I said, that shit hard as fuck, man. I said, you got my vote, my brother, fuck it.
When I say Desi is him, I've just really watched the whole maturation process in the last 4 years, and he's elevated into a whole different stratosphere, which is just good to see. And I almost feel like, in some regards, the same thing is kind of happening with what we're doing. Like, the type of houses that we're building, that just have elevated the last 3 to 4 years. And even with the coaching program, man, the coaching program is elevated. So I say that to say, hard work, persistency, consistency, and just having that burning desire to just win and work, man, like that's really what it takes to be successful. Sometimes, man, you just gotta be locked in, like all the way locked in. And you're gonna have roadblocks. You're gonna have a lot of things that don't go your way. It's gonna be times that you have to pivot, but you can't lose your focus. You know, sometimes in life, man, it's just like when you focus, you're gonna feel like you're out of balance. And when you're balanced, you're gonna feel like you're out of focus. So it's never gonna be like it's never gonna be an easy path or a clear path. Man, you just gotta keep grinding, keep going, and just keep getting up. And if you do, you'll look back and be like, damn, we accomplished a lot. The biggest achievement, you know, from this trip was one, just seeing how many people outside of Atlanta want this information. Like, just talking to some of the people in the room and just hearing the people in the room, it's just very inspirational for us and for them. You know, to see people like say, hey man, I really want to learn how to start building houses or even get into real estate. Atlanta's such a special market where there's just so much going on, and I don't say we don't realize, but you know, we're lucky being in Atlanta, because I think Atlanta's like the mecca for a lot of stuff. You know, there's so much stuff going on in Atlanta where I guess maybe we're spoiled to a certain degree. And then when we come to these other markets, it's like people are like, man, nobody ever does networking events like this. Especially, you know, people that look like us. And I'm for all people, man. It don't matter what color you are, black, white, you know, Asian, I don't care, Indian. Like everybody needs this information. But I also feel, you know, a lot of times in the black community, we're always the last ones to get the information and always the most underserved. So it's not like I specifically gear my information towards, you know, black people, African Americans. You know, it's geared towards everybody. It's just that's who gravitates to me, you know. But it's just, I don't know, man. It's just inspiring and motivating, and it just keeps me want to keep growing and educating, you know, people. We definitely want to expect more events like this. Definitely want to expect more events like this. You know, right now we're going to go home and regroup and just look at some schedules. You know, anytime we can, you know, have a platform and then also be able to link with, you know, Desi for sure. That helps gives us exposure, and it just you know, exposure, you know, leads to growth on our part, but it also allows us just to help and serve more people, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, man. It's CkT&x Construction King, man. We motivate, we educate, we teach people about real estate, we teach people about development. But most important of all, man, we pour into people and give them the courage and the confidence to take action. So y'all need to take action right now, man, and hit that like button below and subscribe to the channel. CkT&x Construction King, man. We out.